stains only.
Stains
I'm
only.
Mr. Mary Louis V with a Supreme bomber. Spend the shit you putting in your stats, boy, you a cheap shopper.
This mini Drake hit a whip, this bitch a car stopper. They
Car
try to give me for the
stopper.
recipe like I was Betty Crocker. And let them labels come to me, I need $1 million. You was not a killer, you a goofy and killed your father.
Yeah.
What's the deal, gang? We back. Look, we back. We got some TSE VIC, 10 TA LIL A. Let's get into this video, bro. Make sure y'all boys keep your day positive, bro. You feel me? Don't think about nothing that ain't positive, bro. Keep your... I'm telling you, even when the negative thoughts come, bro, be the one to tell yourself, bro, them not your thoughts, bro. Because not every thought is your thoughts, nigga. No cap. Grind don't stop. Keep your day positive. Keep your intentions positive. Keep your actions... Keep your intentions positive, nigga. And let's get into this video, bro. My bad, bro. I'm on the phone, bro. My bad. Listen, keep your day positive.
Visual Kings.
Yo, alright, to make $1 million off the rap, you gotta stay focused. Made 100,000 off the buzz, but I'ma keep going.
Keep
These rappers
going.
acting like they haven't, they ain't seen motion. Up this big block and bustin', nigga tryna tweak on me. My uncle had a ball Glock, he put a beam on it.
Beam
Ain't
on
no
it.
chillin' at the trap, I'm with the stains only.
Stains
I'm Mr.
only.
Mary Louis V with a Supreme bomber. Spend the shit you putting in your stats, boy, you a cheap shopper.
This mini Drake hit a whip, this bitch a car stopper. They
Car
try to give me for the
stopper.
recipe like I was Betty Crocker. And let them labels come to me, I need $1 million. You was not a killer, you a goofy and killed your father. And I just work the collar hands and got the party rockin'. We the ones who putting shit to sleep. I know you heard about us.
I know you heard
I
about
have
it,
my own
bitch.
tablet locked down in the county. 20 deep, it's only 4 in there, and that's the one I'm counting.
I went to Houston, dropped the bag, my neck a water fountain.
Water
Having now
fountain?
showing throwbacks or wanna talk about them.
Talk
I'm
about
a
it.
legend. When I die, put me next to Bobby in the club. A nigga bum me wrong, my nigga beating shotty. Why
Nitty
niggas speaking on my name and they ain't got no comments?
I like how that beat chop, but hold on, let me break down.
Or wanna talk about him. I'm an av legend. When I die, put me next to Bobby in the club. A nigga bum me wrong, my nigga beating shotty. Why niggas speaking on my name and they ain't got no comments? Throw my
Got no
Cartiers
comments.
early on, I might fuck your mama.
Fuck your mama.
My bitch and eating McDonald's. Was taught to go and get a bag, I never had allowance.
I'm the nigga he was talking about to probably beat and shot him.
Beat and shot that bitch ass nigga.
I got the hanging out the whip and Brody told me stop it, fapping at the
Stop it.
I see you got your brother bag in steady pocket, watching made $250,000 off a rap. What I look like, stop it.
What I look like, stop it.
It's like a water fountain, mini Drake can go through anything and can't nobody block it. Everybody trying to claim the have, they really need to stop it.
They ain't got enough defense.
They knowing we the hottest. If you ain't talk about no money, use a different topic. I don't bond and I've been out the way, I don't promote the violence.
Out the way, nigga, I don't bond, he don't promote the violence. Nigga, but I do, nigga. But I do.
Look, not gonna lie, niggas is talk crazy on that bitch. I ain't gonna lie, that's something I add, okay. Make sure y'all keep y'all day positive. My wood unraveling, that's why my shit ain't hitting like that, nigga, no cap. Hey, look, request the next song down below. Keep y'all day positive, bro. Let me know what y'all want me to tap in, bro, no cap. Tapping in everything. You know what I'm saying? Probably can even request your song under the video. I fuck around, tap in that bit. Tell you, as long as you talk crazy, I ain't gonna knock you. Okay. Keep your day positive. I'm about to get to something else for y'all boys, no cap.